Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise and adoration are due to Almighty Allah, the God of the universe, the sustenance. And I beseech His blessing upon the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who in His infinite mercy has counted us among the believers. So I'm using this period as well to appreciate the effort and the passion of the organizers of this great billionaire group, the WhatsApp group. So they initiated this one, they initiated because they have some kind of benefit to pass to people. They want people to benefit and learn one or two things as well, so in order to be able to enrich us in an alive way. May Almighty Allah continue to help them, all the admins, all the group, all the members that are doing all these things together in order to make it happen. So let me briefly go to the business. Before I go there, I appreciate the effort of the former speakers. They have been part of this group. I've been following them. They have been great. So they have been impacting. They have been benefit from what they have been sharing. So may Almighty Allah continue to bless them and the incoming speakers as well. So this is a great opportunity, and I even changing the orientation. So the very first time I see myself added to this group, I said, wow. They count me whatever as one day I will be on as that they don't let me deceive you. So I've actually changed my orientation that they can continue to increase the rate of income and develop and expand maybe to, if our last way, to reach that level. Now I've been given the task to talk about the mini computer center business, how possible it is, how easy is the business, how profitable it is, how are we going to go about it for those people that may pick interest in organizing such kind of business. So what are the problems and the challenges and the rest? Now my brothers and sisters, this is what I have been doing and I've been part of my life, and I must confess to you, so it has been great because it's a business and thing that is increasing, improving every day. So there is the majority of people that are doing this business, something actually maybe push them to start doing it, maybe they have one kind of challenges or the means of sustenance, and that's how they started all this business. And what usually affects most of the people, I don't usually know how to expand or how to create this kind of business. It's because of the way they think, the limitation they give to themselves. So because to me the business is an ICT, an information communication technology. You know how the ICT technology is being increasing daily, how the knowledge is improving. That's I can even refer the main technology of nowadays is the ICT. When you make mention of technology, when you want to give the real definition of technology, it is an ICT. And the computer business center is an ICT, so I don't see any reason why the people that are doing the business can limit themselves to what they are doing, why are not improving. So why the business? Let me start from here. Why the business is so important? Let me say is everybody even need to do the business. The very first thing I realized is that the business is a branch or is a part of any organization, so they can talk about. Look at all those big. Let me start from the one we know that are popular, like Shell, the Chevron. they must have this kind of division where they will need to print, they will need to scan, they will need to send information to people. So definitely they need this kind of business. So majority of people that are patronizing this kind of business are the people that they lack the skills, maybe the competent personnel to handle the task. They now come out to us that we want to do this. They bring their file and document to us, so we help them solve the problem, help them to do it. So which means the business is an integral part of any organization we can talk of. So now another thing is that there is a lot of creativity in the business. Once you are doing it, you should be learning one or two things every day because they be given different tasks. It's not the kind of thing that you be solving the same problem every day. You be solving different problems. And that is the reason why if you like solving problem, this is one of the things you can do. To bring different solutions, different problems. Some have, I want to do this, I want to do the bulk SMS. Some has, I want to do this kind of thing, maybe I want to advertise my business. So you are in ICT field, so it's something you must know that I must solve this problem. So another thing is that maybe some people have come that they need the sales inventory software. So not that you are in the field. Don't say you are not doing it, you are doing it. Tell them if you don't know what to do about it before, just tell them that give me that, I'll give you the bioregister. You give them the report that they should tell you what they want, actually what they want. And one of the things we used to do is that the place you need to learn this kind of business, you don't need maybe the seminars, all those things. People that want to improve their skills in what they are doing, they usually go to different seminars. The most seminars, almost the knowledge you need in this kind of business is that your finger is on your laptop. It's something you can just go search and find the solution straightforward. And it's even free of charge. It's only data, you just consume your data. Like people that just come, some people you just come, I need to say the register software to manage my business. Just Google it, search it. If you don't understand that one, go to YouTube. Just search in YouTube and watch the video. Do the same thing they say. Download all the drive, all the software that you may be using. Follow them. Actually, follow them verbally. So they'll be teaching you one by one like this. That is one of the things I realized in the business is that the business is the kind of business that just have limitation. Be solving the problem, different problem. That are solving different problem. Be any different kind of income. So the time we got that we hardly have time. So like the situation, also one of the problems that we are facing now is the problem of time, of expansion. So everything at time we just pull out and people with different, we just go solving them gradually. So the business is very creative and problem solving, and it has the wide scope that the scope can't just tell you that this is why the scope is. Things are getting harder and things are improving. The technology is expanding, everything is increasing. So also the challenges are numerous. So once you are able to cope and solve this kind of challenges and problems, that one will just transform your business from level A to level B to level C. And I believe that by that time, so you'll be thinking of how to make your business to become a standard industry. Because let me actually tell you, this kind of business can be a very, look at all those things, all those people now, all those payment agencies. I just have a website and they are managing it. So they employ the people because of money they give them salary. So you can scale this kind of business now into same thing. So you can do it same thing. You can scale it up like that and make it standard. So and another thing is that the opportunity of research and update. There's always an update about the thing. Let me tell you, even all the people that are just doing all this, how to print it, how to do the photocopy, they are doing it by themselves. The problem will definitely bring them to you. So one of the things why we used to do it, that I used to tell my trainees that let me tell you, aside those all this kind of business we are doing, we go into extinction, because as majority of the people know how to do it now, so there's no need to go to this, I want to do this, and all those simple tasks we are doing that we are collecting money from them now. Once they know how to do it, they will not patronize you again. So which means you must be able to what, to develop yourself further in order to be able to solve the problem they will likely encounter, because they will definitely encounter a problem. So just wait for them, let them bring the problem, and now collect all the money they're supposed to pay. You before add them addition, the penalty that you don't bring the work to you. So now you now collect the money, because they will definitely have the problem and they will be ready to pay any amount in order for the problem to solve. So that is the reason why we stay at the edge of solving a problem. So now another thing why the business is very interesting is that there is always availability of the labor workforce. So you are the kind of people that like to give training or to educate the people on that kind. So you have many problems, that you have many people that are ready to learn what you are doing. So as you are teaching them, you are making them to become experts. So once you are making to be giving them the task, that's what method we use. That is the reason why you are able to achieve many things at the same time. So once I teach you how to do this, I give the foundation, I used to give them feed you, watch this one and solve this problem for me and do this one for me. So at times I used to give them the task that I even know if I stay there, I may take some of my time, give them, I group them, solve this one, go and do it, and they will definitely do it. So what we are doing is that giving a task to them. Once I know, after I know that they can do it, maybe I've taught them how to do it, or give them the foundation of the thing I want them to do. I do not only give them tasks, I give them the project. Or maybe I have some project at time and they are busy, or most of the time I have to give them first. Once they are doing it, so I do the most necessary correction, we do it together, we work as a team. So that's one of the beauties of work as a team, is solving a particular problem. So what we just ensure is that once you come to us, that you have something you want to do, so we ensure that you leave our place with happiness, that are able to do it. If I'm able to do it, we are not able to do it, we do refer people as well, so that we have the best people that can do it, so you do refer them. So this gives us the opportunity, so among our competitors, we use the projector. So at times after giving them the project, so I ask maybe the person the student that handled the project to show us how is able to achieve a particular project. So we project it and we stand in front of the other students and we tell them that this is how we are able to do it. So those are among the creativity that we employ so in our service. And another thing that we have to know is that the managerial skills. Once we are able to give them we manage the training very well, so they will become assets to you. So you must manage them. They are talented, they are gifted, so there are a lot of things. You'll be seeing different things with them. So once you give them the management skills, so they will deliver and the success will come back to your business. So another thing that's very, very important in this kind of business is the native intelligence. So we have to be intelligent with our environment, with the kind of environment we are living. So know how the people behave, know how they react, know what they want, know what they like, know what they don't like. So once they are able to study the native you behave well, you study the kind of environment you have, so you'll be able to manage the people around you. So they will all be happy with you. Even if anything want to happen to you, like I can remember the time that maybe there is one opportunity give opportunity that want to move from where we are before to another place which is very open and wide. So we are able to seek it. People help us, people around us to just help us to get it. So just be kind to people and doing well. So we used to engage in the school program as well. We used to write proposals to different secondary schools. We have this plan to give their student the ICT training, so they used to allow. So this is one of the things we used to do. So we do them and they will pay us. We project the student for carry like five laptops or four, take them to the school with we have a generator for the program. So you go there and teach them, and we earn something like that. So that different opportunity. Once you are in the business, you just be thinking wide and make use of the opportunity. Train your students well, let them have the manner and their well behavior, have the normal. So just upgrade them. Don't think they are children, they are more children, so they can handle many tasks. They are capable of handling many tasks. So they serve as an access business. They need expansion, liability, so an opportunity. So I'm able to say one or two things. Increase your productivity, increase the trend, or change the office. So all those things to come. In fact, I must confess to you, I'm one of the people that are very blessed with good people. So my friend, very kind and good. In fact, my brother. So one of the brother is even here in this group can testify to it. So once I have one craze that they just give me like maybe 3 or 4 hours to raise like 180,000 naira. So in which I was not able to have any amount then. But so I just pick my call, I call them, so they raise the money. So and the money completed within like maybe before 30 minutes. So I was able to send the money to me. So I was able to return the money to each and every one of them. Now, so they must be good and be kind. So people, once that opportunity come, just find the ways of embrace it. And so this one we just we increase your productivity, we increase your trade, we increase your business. So may Almighty Allah help us reach us and be with every one of us in our various